Dr. Deborah Yerman, and I'm your local Encino chiropractor with another quick tip for a happy, healthy, pain-free life. Today's tip is what to do with allergies. The first and most important thing is to make sure you don't have a sinus infection, because if you do, you might need medication for that. So once we rule that out, we then go and look at our foods, because there are some mucus-producing foods that keeps everything very phlegmy. The worst one is dairy, any kind of dairy, and the second is orange juice. A lot of people are surprised by that. You can have grapefruit juice and other juices, but orange juice is very mucus-producing, as is chocolate and strawberry. Make sure that you're drinking a lot of water to help the system, because the digestion does have something to do with our reactions in some cases. Now, there's also some other things we can do. Most of you have heard about a neti pot, and that just helps irrigate the nose. I personally like the nasaline. I find it much easier, as do my patients. And what that is, it's a way to irrigate, to get all the mucus out of the nose. You have water, and you pour into the water some salt that comes with it, and they tell you how much to do that. You put it in and pull it back, and then you stand over a sink, and always, always make sure your head is bent forward. Never keep it back. You always want to read the instructions or look it up on the internet so that you do it the correct way. Some people like to just use a water bottle. Just get the water, obviously less in it, put some salt into that. It works, but not quite as well. This is called Albus, and this is a inhaler that doesn't have a rebound effect. So you use it in one side and the other for those times where you're at work or you're trying to sleep and the sinuses are getting you a bit crazy. The other suggestion I have is find a pencil with a very good eraser on it. And there are some points that are acupuncture points right at the base of the nostril, halfway up, and all the way to the top, like this. Now, if it's irritated in there, this might be a little uncomfortable, which is fine. Continue to do it, just not for too long. You want to just stimulate it a little bit, and you might find that you blow your nose a little bit more. Here in the office, we use, it looks very frightening, but it's a retractable. And so we can also do, it's a cross between acupuncture and acupressure called a Tai Chi. And the last, and maybe the most important, is to make sure that you go visit your chiropractor, because the top two nerves, the atlas and the axis, is what controls everything above your head. So it affects the sinuses. So if you do all of these things together, you might see some really good results. And remember to stay hydrated. That is very important. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Deborah Yerman, offering short-term care for your neck and back pain. Until next time, be well.